Chorus, similar to Unison found on many synths, will take a sound, delay it, and detune it slightly so that it seems as if two or more sounds are playing. When you copy a vocal and place the two on top of each other, it just sounds like a louder track. The chorus effect takes the vocal and modifies it slightly so that you can hear the difference, and they sit together better in the mix. While this is great for vocals, you can add chorus to anything you want to thicken it up. Try duplicating a vocal and placing the chorus effect on one, and then panning one copy to the left and one copy to the right. You may get some results that will surprise you. The delay knob will determine the delay between chorus voices, while the depth knob will affect the chorus modulation. This one takes a little tinkering to hear what is going on entirely, but when you adjust the delay to a low setting and the depth to a high setting, you will get a thicker, heavier chorus effect. The stereo knob will adjust the chorus's left and right modulation effect, and in changing values will affect the stereo image of your sound. The LFO controls allow you to set the modulation speed and the type of wave that the LFO uses. Cross type is an essential knob because it determines what range of sound the chorus will affect. Process HF will work on the higher sounds, such as flutes and female soprano voices, and Process LF will be better suited for bass and baritone male voices. The cross cutoff determines at what point in the frequency spectrum a sound is affected by the chorus. This is the fine tuning of the process knob. Wet only should be turned on when using the chorus as a send track to affect the sound. So if you have vocals that are going to the main output but you want a little chorus, add the fruity chorus to a send track and then route the vocal track to the sound track and select wet only. This will make sure that the chorus track only plays the affected audio through the master and doesn't add the original sound, which can cause clipping.